Hello, it's me.
Hey guys, so today we are doing our first unboxing and we are going to unbox the Zoook headphone. So if you don't know Zoook is a company. You can go to their website and see Zoook is a company that manufactures headphones. So I've always bought headphones, but the problem, they were not that giving the quality that I wanted. And all my friends were suggesting to me, Moses, why don't you buy JBL? JBL is good. If you don't know JBL, they manufacture like quality headphones. But the problem with JBL, that JBL is way much expensive. It's expensive. And recently, if you remember, if you check out on this page, I posted one of my laptops. The screen is broken, and the one right now I'm using my older laptop. It does not support Bluetooth capabilities, and I wanted headphones which support Bluetooth as well as headphone jack. What happens, most of the headphones right now, most of the manufacturers are removing the headphone jack. So I did a lot of Google search. I went to so many shops, physical shops, and I did not find one. Luckily, I came across this one. It's the Zoook headphone. It's you see it is called Blue ZB Jack Duo. I'm sorry the name, but you can read. This is the name. If you can see it, you can read. So, what's special with this headphone is that it has both Bluetooth and headphone jack, and that's what I wanted, because my laptop here, the old one, does not support Bluetooth capabilities. Then the other one I showed you, if you scroll through this page, you will see that the screen is broken and I've not yet fixed it. So let's unbox this and see what it has. What they're saying here, that this one, it has radio. Oh, you can correct radio. Then you can put, if you have a memory card, you can also put it there. Oh God, it has loudspeaker. Do you see this loudspeaker? We shall find out. And then they are also talking about the headphone jack is here. Sound is in HD. Let's check this thing out. This one I will not read. I'm just so eager to find out what is inside. Let me. Bam, 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 bam. So that is, I don't want that one. I'll do it later. So, why is it difficult to open? Okay, my God. Yeah, it is. Can you see it, guys? It's black. I love black. It just looks good. So, and bam, bam, bam. Look at the design. Designer. This is the best design I've ever seen in headphones. Look at this. It's as if it's anyway, it's leather. This is leather. How they did it. And it has their name, Zoook. Zoook, it is a triple O, Z triple A K. It has their name. And look at how it is. You can, let's get it out. Let's get it out, sorry. You can see. So you can like fold this one. And then fold it back. Oh, okay. You may like, Moses, you may break it if you. So want to see what is in the box, what else is in the box. So they have this is their manual, like how to use it and all that. Yeah, I'll read the manual. You can read the manual. You always have to read the manual. Please read the manual. I don't read it. And this is what I've been talking about, the headphone jack. headphone jack. So, and good old USB charger. It has the, it is chargeable. You can put the USB. Let's see. Let me see. Sababanda. Why is it so hard to? So USB goes here. You can. Yeah. So USB, put it anywhere like in the USB port. Then you can charge it from here. And then here is where the headphone jack goes. Hey guys, the reason why I'm making this video is that it took me a lot of time to find this product, because I wanted a headphone with both solutions, headphone jack and Bluetooth. And what happens, most of the manufacturers of headphones nowadays, they are removing the headphone jack. I need my headphone jack. Where the hell are they removing it? I need it. So this took me a lot of time to like find out, but see, you can put the headphone jack. So this is my laptop. I can check with my laptop here. My laptop is down here. I don't know if you can see. Sorry, I'm not seeing my, okay. I have another phone. I'm recording this video using my phone, so let's check with my phone. This is my phone, my old phone. Don't commit about my phone. So let's play some music. Some music. Do I have any music in this old phone? Oh God, I don't know if I have any music, but let me see. Yes. Here's the volume. Volume. The sound is anyway. This is I'm using wired. Let's change to Bluetooth. So I want to change to Bluetooth and see how it works with Bluetooth. Don't commit about this phone. So Bluetooth. Let me do one search here. Search, yeah, it is here. Can you see that, guys? Down, Zoook, down. You can see that. So I'll connect. It's pairing. Connected? Yeah, connected. Let me play some music. I don't know if it is really connected, but else. That's not, it's good. So let me see this, huh? So this you can put in loudspeaker. That's one other special thing about it. If it is in Bluetooth, you can change to loudspeaker. You hear that? That is loudspeaker. So if you don't want to put it on, into your head, so you can just put it down and listen from loudspeaker. If they call you, you can just press this one. It has an inbuilt. Let's move this. It has inbuilt microphone. Like you don't have if someone calls you, you just have to do this. and then answer the phone. No need of then removing the headphone and then go to the phone. No, you just have to, you can answer the phone from this very device. So I'm going to put the link below where you can get this device. It's about $30. I mean, like $30 US. It depends on which country you are in, but it's about 30. I got it from Amazon. You can also get yours from Amazon. It's about $30. Depends which country you are in. So about that's all I can say about it. It's a very nice one. I've tried the sound. It's good. I recommend it. So you should also buy it. Thank you for being here. Check out my other videos. I've made a few videos so far. I've also wrote about some few things. Make sure you check them out. And please don't forget to like this page. Bye.